Hello everyone, I am Harsimar and today we are going to do a quick demo on event type filters. This feature was introduced in GitLab 15.7 and is behind a feature flag which is disabled by default. So if you want to try this feature out, you will first have to enable this feature flag. And once this feature is enabled, you can start adding filters on a destination. One thing to note here is if the feature is enabled with no filters, the destination receive all audit events. So let's begin. In my group, I have already created these two external destinations. For the first one, we are going to create a filter, and for the second one, we are not going to create any filter. And we will see how audit events are being received in these endpoints. Let's begin by creating an audit event. For this, I'm going to download a project, and in our endpoints, we can see we have received a post request containing the audit event payload. And for this event, we have a event type repository download operation. So let's create a filter for this event type. For this, we will open our GraphQL Explorer. First, I'm going to query external audit event destinations. And for this group, issue reproduce group, we have two destination URLs configured and we don't have any event type filters here. So let's create one. For this, I'm going to run this mutation which takes destination ID. So I'm going to copy this, paste it here, and we want to create a filter for this event type. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So I have created a event type filter, and let's refresh this page. And here, as you can see, for the first destination, we have this filtered label here, which is denoting that this destination is now filtered. So let's produce the same audit event again. And we can see for both the destination, we have again received the audit event payload because we have created the filter for this event type only. Uh, so now let's try to produce some other audit event. For this, I'm going to go to merge request settings and update a status check name, which will produce a audit event. So in our filtered external destination, we can see we have not received any payload, but in our unfiltered one, we are receiving this payload in which we are changing the status check name from QA to QAV2. So this is how you add filters on a external destination. So let's remove this now. For this, I'm again going to use GraphQL mutation and I'm just going to copy these params and paste it here. So we are now removing this repository download operation filter. So I've removed it and let's refresh this page. And now we can see the filter label is not present. So it's not filtered now. And I'm going to produce the same audit event here, QAV3. So this now should be produced in both the external destinations. So here we can see we have received the audit event uh, saying the change from QAV2 to QAV3. And for the unfiltered also we have received the QAV2 to QAV3. Thanks for watching.